the classic tomato soup. It's warm, it's comforting, it's made with cream and basil and tomatoes. You're going to love this. Let me show you how it's made. Alright, the first thing we're going to do, since we're making tomato soup, is cut our tomatoes up. You want to leave these loose. You want to leave these coarse cut. Long pepper that we also got on clearance. Throw these guys in, seeds and all. Just peeled. We have 10 garlic cloves. Throw them in. Purple onion. The onion you can have any kind. Purple, green, yellow, jumbo, Valdivia. Totally up to you. Some olive oil in there. A little bit of seasoning salt. That'll help break down all the skins and vegetables. Then we want to mix this up and then place this on our pan. 2 slices of bacon. Just lay them on there and let them cook also. Alright, this is going into a preheated oven at 400 degrees. We'll put it in there for 30 minutes, no fan on, then we'll come back and check it. We're going to take an immersion blender, immersion stick, and we'll mix everything up. We're going to add some basil, some chicken base, and some other spices, and we'll be done. Very simple, very easy. You'll love this. Something you can do all the time. All right, it's been 40 minutes at 400 degrees. Everything is soft. Everything's cooked down. Potatoes are soft. Let's find a garlic here. Look at the garlic. Even the garlic is soft and pliable. This is going to be delicious. Look at this garlic here. Time to blend. Potatoes, peppers, onions, garlic. It's going to be good, healthy, good hearty dish. Easy to make, good for summertime. Scrape everything off, all the flavor, good stuff. Put this aside, add a little bit of water. And then we're going to add a little bit of our bouillon chicken tomato base. About half a tablespoon. Going to add some cracked black pepper. Some celery salt. Good flavor. And then some Maggie's flavoring. You can use Worcestershire sour sauce, soy sauce, whichever. We're also going to stick in some lemon basil that we picked up. Blenders are good items to work with. Add a little more water. Oh, that's good. We're going to add some half and half. Creamy tomato soup. Can't get any better. Here we go. Give it another try. That's very good. Let's cook this off a little. We'll cook the heavy cream in there. Bring this to a boil. Adjust for seasoning. Then we'll be ready to serve. Still a little thick. Gonna add a little more water. Not too much. Get a good consistency. Nice color. You want to keep stirring since you have the cream in here. You do not want this to burn. What we want to do, we will bring up the heat, bring it up to a low simmer. Then we'll turn the fire off. It'll be ready. When you get to this point, you can take this and you can go a step farther. You can turn this into a marinara sauce for pasta. You can do all kinds of things with it. Very good. You can put cheese in here, you can put sour cream in here. You can do all kinds of things with it. Let's let this come to a heat and then we'll be done. One more taste. The heat makes a big difference. Turn the heat down. Let it come to a simmer. And I think we're about done. Let's get this, get a bowl, and try it and see how it is. I think you'll like this. Very good. Here's soup. What do you think? Pretty easy. Came together pretty fast. And this stuff is wonderful. You've got to try this. Put a little garnish. We've got some little toasty rustic bread with it. Let's give this a try. The basil in there is amazing. It jumps out and grabs you. Very simple ingredients. Can be found anywhere. Most of you guys probably have this in your refrigerator at the house. So you need to try this. If you do, let me know how it is. Let me know what you would change and make it differently. Like I said, you can add Parmesan cheese to this. You can make a grilled cheese sandwich to accompany this. Tortillas, all kinds of things. The choice is yours. You do you. The point of it is, it came together very fast, very easy, very inexpensively. And this will keep you full for the next meal, definitely. Good for a late night snack, good for a midday lunch. If you want to keep learning how to save money, how to cook for yourself, how to stretch your budget, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time on Real Food, Spend Less. Bye. This is delicious.